y'all? It's Queen Brianna and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as y'all read from the title of this video, today's video is going to be another huge Fashion Nova clothing haul, and I got some really cute and stylish things to show you guys in this haul. Yeah, make sure you guys like this video, comment on this video, and subscribe to my channel if you're not doing so already, because we're lit over here, okay? I post lit videos. So make sure you guys subscribe and tap that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Now without any more interruptions, let's go ahead and get into the video. So as y'all can see, I have 2 bags of stuff that I got that I'm going to show you guys. So the first thing that I got is this light pink shirt, and it says baby girl on the front of it, and it's really cute. I like this one a lot. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's from like the Bratz logo. If you guys remember the Bratz doll, like their logo used to look like this. It used to have like this same font, and it used to have this little halo thingy on top of it. So that's what it was like inspired by. Yeah, that's the first thing. Really cute. So the next thing that I got is this red and white shirt, and it says super hot on the front of it. And when I saw this, I just knew I had to get it because it's a hot girl summer. Period. So I got this shirt. Really cute. And it looks kind of small. So I got a large, and I'm glad I got a large because it still looks really small, even though I got a large. So the next thing that I got is this shirt, and it's the Powerpuff Girls shirt, and it's really cute. I like this one a lot, and it has the Powerpuff Girls on it, and it has this like Chinese writing on it, and I honestly don't know what it means. I don't, but it's cute. So if y'all know what this says, please let me know in the comments, because I don't know what it means. I tried googling it, didn't work, so please let me know what it means. I just got it because it's cute. I assume it says Powerpuff Girls, but I don't know, so let me know. Then I got these leggings, and they're yellow, like this mustard color, and they're mesh, so you can like see through them. It has these 2 little mesh lines so you can see through them. And I think that's really cute. I like these a lot. And I got them to go with something else that I got in the haul. So I got them to go with this black and yellow shirt that I also got, and it says property of nobody on the front of it. And this is so cute. I like this a lot. And it goes with the leggings really well. I was hoping that they were the same shade of yellow, and they match like perfectly. So I'm going to wear this shirt with the leggings that I got. So the next thing that I got that will be in this haul is this shirt, and it has a unicorn on the front of it, and it says I'm silently judging you. This is so cute to me. If you guys can't tell by now, I really like graphic tees. I love shirts with like phrases on them and logos and like images on it. But I like graphic tees a lot. I think those are really cute. All the shirts in this haul are graphic tees, so yeah. So next I got this black and white crop top, and it says self-pay on the front of it. I think it would look really good with like some black and white leggings or something. That's probably what I'll wear it with. So the last thing that I got in this haul is this light pink shirt, and it says money is greater than love, love less than fine money. And it's a crop top. It looks like a crop top, but yeah, it's really cute. It has a powerful message on it, okay? Money over love. Don't fall in love, fall into money. Alright y'all, so that really concludes this Fashion Nova clothing try-on haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Make sure you guys comment which piece was your favorite in this haul. I would love to know. So comment down below which thing was your favorite. Make sure you guys give this video a huge thumbs up. Let's try and get it to 15 thumbs up. And also subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. My goal is to reach 130 subscribers, you guys, and we're almost there. So make sure you guys subscribe. Let's get to 130 subscribers. And lastly, comment some more video ideas. Comment some things you guys want me to do, because I don't know what videos to post if you guys don't tell me. So comment some video ideas. Also, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and add me on Snapchat. I'll put my usernames in the description box down below, and they'll also be at the end of this video as well. And by the way, in case you missed it, I've also did another Fashion Nova summer try-on haul a couple weeks ago, so make sure you guys go watch that if you haven't watched it already. Once you finish this video though, of course. That's all I have for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!